Hi guys, this is Darius Evardo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to review the newest eyeshadow makeup palette by Beauty Glaze. And I would like to give my warmest gratitude to Beauty Glaze for sending their newest product. And also, if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like, share, and comment on my YouTube videos. And also, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts below. Instagram at Darius Evardo, Facebook at Darius Evardo, and TikTok at Darius. So, without further ado, let's jump out to the main video. So this is their newest makeup. This their newest eyeshadow palette. This palette make cold, mix and match. So this eyeshadow palette is a pressed powder, and it has an expiration date, or it has a lifespan of 24 months or 2 years. And I think let's review what this eyeshadow palette holds. Cheers. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. So this is the newest palette released by Beauty Glaze. And it has a 68 pans of different colors of eyeshadows. It has a metallic, a shimmer, and a matte. And also we have, I think, a contour tone and a highlights and blushes. I'm now starting loving this palette because this has complete colors. When I do glam drag and I do creative makeup, so tita ko ma-hassle when I am doing a makeup because this palette, this is everything. So here's another voiceover. Okay, so guys, I will be trying out the, sorry for that barks, sorry for my dogs. So I will be trying the eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glaze. So I will be applying it on my eyes, and now I'm using the navy one, or the blue shade from the eyeshadow palette. And now I am mixing I'm using the pink one, like that, or that, what color is that? I don't know the name of that shade, but it's very pigmented, swear. It's very pigmented, and it is easy to blend, and it's not chalky, you know what I'm saying? Charis. Yeah, it's easy to blend. I love the colors, and I love how I apply it, cherries. And now I'm trying the blush on, and it matches to my skin complexion, and I love it. Yeah, cherries. And yeah, so apply it around your face, not on the T-zone, but on the tip of your nose. It's okay. I'm using the metallic color as my highlight. Also, you can use the biggest pan. So here's the result of my Euphoria makeup look. That's it. Thank you.